Lenovo put out a weird rotating display all-in-one computer thing, which it's a sign of the times, Will. You know, people watching TikTok, and so now they want their all-in-one computer to also have a portrait mode. Now, monitors have had portrait mode for a while, which you can use for, you know, maybe a graphic designer, a photo editor, something like this.
I think programmers
also, they like to have a vertical monitor. But what's weird here is that's an all-in-one computer, the whole thing. And the premise is less around that and more around the idea that, I don't know, what do? You put it in your kitchen with TikTok? You need that quick TikTok access?
Interesting.
I don't know what you need.
Do people consume TikTok on a monitor
They do now.
display?
They do now.
Yeah, with Lenovo's hefty.
Yeah. With the Yoga AIO 7. That's what they do.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's what they do. So it's a 27-inch monitor capable of landscape or vertical. They actually, I don't know if you remember, I think it was Samsung put out a TV that could do this, but it was motorized and it would do it. The thing for me is always, am I going to go through the effort if I'm watching a vertical piece of content to do the whole flipperoo? Because it's more the time component of watching it spin around and everything else. Or would I just watch it cropped? It does look super cool. It's in portrait mode. Tell you what, it's like a piece of art or something.
Yeah.
So yeah, I mean, they're saying it's helpful for long documents and things like this. It also has a kind of cool feature where if you plug a laptop into it, you'll be able to use all of the computer's hardware. The display, speakers, mouse, and keyboard, and the power supply, and the hard drive will be accessible directly from your laptop with a single USB connection.
Cool.
It's kind of a cool little feature. It's going to be a little bit expensive, I guess, starting at $1,600. The Yoga AIO